everyone, this is the start of the Sichuan vlog. As you see, I'm packing. And this vlog will be filmed with the E4K Plus and this GF2. This is a 10 years old camera, so don't expect any quality. Within 10 minutes, we are leaving the house. So let me finish my packing and we'll go. We are leaving now. On the taxi. Like, we just arrived at the airport, waiting to cross the road. Checking in. Now queuing for group check-in. As you can see, our flight, there's a slight issue because the gate is not displayed, but it's only turnaround time. That means 90 minutes from takeoff for our flight. So we just go to a random gate, and let's see is it there. My friend. No, please. This is yellow tree skin. Okay, we went to the wrong place. Gate 71 is not where we want to go. Because, well, that is gate 71 and it's for a flight to Taipei and not to Chengdu. So we will have to wait which gate is ours. Hope it will be closed. After some time, we found out that gate 69, a few gates across, is ours. And we're lucky. Now let's board. Finally boarded. Just now I thought I lost my camera, but it's here. The meal was, this is like no rice, no congee. Finally arrived at Sichuan Airport. Hey guys, can't vlog now, but just an update. Past security, and we already arrived at the first sightseeing place, and it is the temple. And I'm now trying to pack and leave. And my umbrella. Let's go. We can't film. Now, this is Wuhou Shi, a temple that we are visiting. It's a famous temple in Sichuan, but unfortunately, you see it's raining and everyone is holding their umbrellas. I'm trying to keep my camera not wet, and he's trying to film me. Yes, that's it. And I guess we're going in soon.
后走哈，跟着我们。
We are now at Camley Cool Street. Leaving. Today is actually a very special meal because we're in a kind of high-class restaurant and the food is actually very tasty. But of course, we don't come here for no reason because the education value will not be that generous. So we are coming here because we are watching the Sichuan face-changing performance, which will be on the show for a few minutes time. So let's wait and see. They did that because to save time. Time is money.